Just look at this mess from that giveaway drawing. Papers all over the floor. Who's gonna clean up this mess? Now, should I do this today? Or, look at this, all mess, 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 mess. Or should I tackle this bad boy? It's time to continue on this bad boy. Welcome back, by the way. Alright, I have a problem here. See this here? It says dented and it's going in, preventing that to fit in there because this is a folding bayonet. I'm going to use the belt to sand it. Alright guys, my idea for the handle is going to be this handle. I searched and searched for a week and I couldn't find anything. I did see something early on the side of the road. I should have grabbed it that day and I never did. I went back, it was gone. And it would have been antique furniture, you know, oldie. So this is actually from an old hammer. So it's still old, but you know, it's not going to be a restore, it's going to be a refurbish. So, let's get to it. Here is the handle I just cut. I believe this chuck will do the job. Let's find out. Here's how we're looking. Gotta shave that down. Drill the holes for the screws, find the screws, tap it, countersink it, put the screws in, and then work on the blade, put a nice edge on there. I'm thinking, I guess I'll stop here for today. That's how we're looking. Tough wood right here. I'd like to know what that is. Any of you guys know what it is? Let me know. Check it out. It was an old vintage hammer. That's tape. You gotta clean that out. Thanks for watching, guys.